Okay, so this is the remote that comes with the AC unit, the Toshiba, and so it also comes with these two. I believe these are AAA size batteries. They're the smaller ones. So to get them in, what you've got to do is pop this to the side. And if you look on the inside, you're going to see there's a positive, there's the positive. Kind of tells you inside there. And usually wherever you see these springs are the negative. So that's usually with most things. So you just kind of pop them in like that. Bam, Bob's your uncle. And then you're just going to set this on and just push it. And it's on there. Take it off, you pull it, get it on, you push. This is very easy. A lot of these things you can never get the door open. But so we're good on that. So this, let's go ahead and set her down. Get it on there. And that's it right there. Look, bam, 76 degrees. So this is on auto setting right now. And so to power it up, this is the power button here. And I'm going to show you the two different ways that you can start this thing. First is the manual start. You just click this button and bam, there she goes. And it takes a while for it to open and start kicking in, but you'll see it in a minute. You're going to feel it. You won't feel it because you're in video land, but I'm going to feel it. Woo! Man, that's cold. That's some cold air already coming out of it. Now to turn it off, all you do is just like this. Bam, it goes off. Now I'm going to show you the other way that you can turn it on. Yeah, right here. So you're going to notice when I do this right here and turn it on, you're going to see this display appear there. All right, you ready? Here we go. Bam. See that? 71. Now it's going to be even colder. So now, if I want to change the mode, let's look at it as I do it. So I've got it at cool. See how it went to dry? And it's on dry here. Now it's going to heat. There's fan. Went to fan. Went to auto. And now we'll go to cool. Bam. So that's how that works. Now to make it go up and down, check it out. I press here, it goes to 72, 72 there. Press here, it goes to 71, right? All right. So now to power it down, oh look, the fan. Let's check out the fan. Let's click on this. There's low. There's medium, right? Let's take a look at it. There's high, right? There's high there, high on here. Okay? So let's go ahead and we'll put it back to, let's go to medium. We'll leave it on medium, okay? And so it does all the other things, sleep, it's got all these other doohickeys on here, the timer. But the most important, of course, is the fan, the mode, and the off and on button. And your temperature controls here. So that's basically how it works, you know what I mean? So now to turn it off, I would just press this button here. And it turns it off. See that? But this still shows you, because it has the batteries in it, this is still going to show you this, the last series that you put it at. So that's basically your Toshiba remote right there. And that's how it works with this unit. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.